I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I would like to share with you my Christmas gift from me to me and one of my last purchases of 2024. So let's get to it. Now also, I don't know, like for the past, I would say, I don't know, 10 plus years, I buy the bag charm first and then the bag. Does anyone else do that, or do you guys actually buy the bag and then buy the bag charm? It's just how it's, you know, worked out for me. Either I really like the bag charm, but then I couldn't find, you know, the bag in stock, or, you know, wasn't even looking at that time. So look at the pre-love, can't find it. But bag charms I've always really liked. So this bag charm I actually did get first, and it's from Christian Louboutin. They give you a really nice bag, the red tissue paper, and even the inside is red. So that's kind of cool. Here's the box here, and if we just open it up, comes like this. Comes with the, let's see. Okay, so that is my receipt, and also comes with the care booklet, and then is that not adorable? I actually think this is the first time I ever bought a charm from Christian Louboutin. So, and when I went and looked at it at Holt Renfrew, they had it in the display case, so you just got to see it, and then it took him about 10 minutes later, and then I didn't see him wrap it up. He went to the back and everything. So here it is. Here it is, a red heart. I'll just put that really up close here. Let me put it like that maybe, right? And it's got the writing in here, engraved in the letter that says Louboutin, Christian Louboutin. And there it is there. So let's get to the bag, guys. So I did get this, obviously, pre-loved. I know they still make it. It's the Cabata tote, as you've seen in my thumbnail. And I think when I seen this one, it was 2010, because I seen the boots, the high-rise runners that went with it. So I believe this is from 2010, 2012, could be. But the original dust bag's in really good shape. It's quite thick too, like sturdy. So here is the Cabata tote. Is this not gorgeous? And I was looking at this bag probably again for the last, I would say, 6 months on their website, and it went down in price, then it went down again, and I think it was, the final price was 65 or 75% off. And you know, I just thought, oh, the bag's gonna be beat up, because the pictures look nice online, but you never know. I mean, it's just, sometimes it's you get something, and other times it's, you know, junk. But this one was exactly how the photos described. And this is about, in Canada, these totes, if I believe, were about $2,200. And like I said, I got this for like 75–80% off the price tag. And it came stuff like this, like that. And also, which is kind of rare, that it came with the pouch, guys, which you never see, because usually the pouch is, you know, long gone. And it's got the little pull tab there with the Christian Louboutin. So gorgeous in the gold and the red. The zipper. And oh, I even got care booklets and tags in here. So I swear it looks like nobody actually used this. And this is the leather. You can see it really close up here. And then what I also like about this bag is it is a completely leather-lined bag. How beautiful is that? Yeah, it just it honestly looks like nobody has ever used it. So, and for a leather-lined bag, it's actually not that heavy. So I did weigh it on my little weight scale, and it was 1.8 pounds. So just over 1.5 pounds. So actually, not, like I said, not that bad for a completely leather-lined bag. And then also, oh my gosh, guys, look at the red bottom. Just like the shoes. It's just, yeah, so gorgeous. And it has also these studs here. Beautiful, nice little detail there. Has it on both sides. The size of the bag is 18 inches across, and then 12 inches down, and then roughly about 5.5 inches here. And it has this, the only way of closing it has this little clasp that I'm gonna, there we go. So I'll show it to you there. And as you can see, once I close the clasp, it goes pretty close together, but I know the bag is empty, so if I had stuff in it, it'll be a little bit different. But again, just like my other totes or my other LV totes, I would just, you know, put a scarf, sweater, whatever at the top. I just wanted to say also, like, the handles are leather, and I just find everything quality made. And it's funny, even after all these years, when I opened up the dust bag, I could actually smell the leather still. Like, smells delicious. So, and this is how it looks on me. I think I just hit my microphone there, guys, sorry. Okay, so that's how it looks on me. Here, I'll just move the camera back. There we go. It is quite a large tote, but I've been loving the large totes, and I really like these gold studs, and the color, you know, with the, it's called natural nude with the red, and the way it's got the design on it. I've always loved this bag. Like I said, this is a very quality made bag that's actually, you know, been around for over 10 years. And like I said, I'm pretty sure the person just kept it in the dust bag, but it will definitely get a lot of use from me. And it's especially nice that I can put my put my laptop in it and things like that. So what I'll do is I will do a review in a few months and let you know how I'm getting along with this bag. So here's the charm that I got. So let's put it on the bag. See how it looks. And there we go. My new charm on an old bag, but an excellent condition old bag. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you would consider subscribing, that would be awesome. I'm trying to reach my goal of 500 subscribers, so that would really help. Everyone have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next video.